Alright, so I just woke up, got my hair taken out at my mom's. She's finna braid me up before I go get all my PC stuff and my camera stuff. Alright, I'll be back. Ohio, Ohio. Got the dogs out. Alright, man, they better have what I need. Let's go. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. So far, the cart is empty. Soon we'll be full. My phone's dying, so I won't be able to get everything. But yeah, we in here. We've made it. See, almost taller than me. Yes, sir. Got a whole cart full of stuff. Yes, sir. Back to the cart we go. And then the fun part begins. All right, this is what it on, bro. Yeah, just the HDMI don't work. I done plugged it up to both. And then the LED fans, they spin, but the light on the fans ain't working either. But I'm mad I couldn't build it myself, but hey, it is what it is. That's why they got professionals. Right now I'm looking at YouTube videos, and when I do get it, I can set it up real quick, get to streaming and dropping videos. Stay tuned. So man, how y'all doing? Just woke up. It's about 7:30, 7:19 a.m. Still don't have my PC, but they say it should be ready Thursday. So I'm gonna stay up all night, all day, all evening until I go back to Microcenter and the PC is finally in my hands. Now I'm excited though. Right now I'm looking at videos and stuff on YouTube. So when I do get it back, I can go right into everything. Dropping these videos and streaming and all that good shit. I'm excited, man. Calm it down. Now I'm on there. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yes, we got. Look, PC is ready, and I'm on my way. It's the day. It's the day after it was supposed to be the day, and here I come, man. I'm on my way. Go here for the pickup. Okay. Alright, here we go. How we looking? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Finally here, finally done. Like different bitches hit me now, no I can't fuck with them. I call you focus, he gon' blow and get corrupt. Alright, how y'all doing? Alright, so this is basically my review on the whole buying a PC and the Microcenter process. So basically, I wanted to start gaming and making YouTube videos, vlogs, and things of that nature. So I went and bought a PC. The first step, I did a lot of research, a bunch of research to see what equipment would best suit what I was trying to do. You feel me? So I watched probably over 100 and something YouTube videos to see what I was gonna rock with. Next, going to get the stuff. So I went to Microcenter, Cincinnati only got like one Microcenter, so I went to Microcenter. Good customer service, real good customer service. And the good thing about them is they got people that will actually help you get everything you need, like from top to bottom, from scratch to finish. I made a mistake trying to build my own PC, thinking I know it all. You feel me? That's on me. So I actually end up breaking, I think, the motherboard and the power source trying to build my own PC. Me and my brother, more my brother, but so yeah, I end up taking it back. They didn't charge me extra or nothing like that, but they end up building my PC for me basically, and yeah, man, turned out great. I love it. I definitely would suggest letting them build it. Yeah, I would suggest that. I would definitely suggest letting them build the PC. If you're a first time builder, you know, if you don't know what you're doing. I thought I could watch YouTube videos and do it, but I couldn't. So I took it back to the professionals, and it only took them probably, what, 3-4 days, and that's including fixing what I had broke. So yeah, so if you got like an extra 200 just laying around when you get your PC, I suggest spending that to let them build it. And then if you want to build a PC, I would just suggest taking the one that they built apart and rebuilding it, type of thing. But yeah, overall, I love my PC. I'm ready to start dropping these videos for y'all. And yeah, man, stay positive. You know the vibes. Like and subscribe, man. I'm out.